హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. ఈరోజు మనం డిస్కస్ చేయబోయే నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ అబ్రివేషన్స్ అబౌట్ ఫినాన్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఏడిఆర్, అమెరికన్ డిపాజిటరీ రెసిప్ట్స్. ఏఎల్ఎం, అసెట్ అండ్ లయబిలిటీ మేనేజ్మెంట్. అండ్ ఏఎంఎల్, యాంటీ మనీ లాండరింగ్. ఏఎంసి, అసెట్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ కంపెనీ. ANBC, Adjusted Net Bank Credit. ARC, Asset Reconstruction Company. ASBA, Application Supported by Blocked Amount. AEPS, Aadhaar Enabled Payment System. APBS, Aadhaar Payment Bridge System. AIF, Alternate Investment Fund. AQB, Average Quarterly Balance. AMC, Annual Maintenance Charge. BBB, Bank Board Bureau. And BC, Business Correspondent. BCBS, Basel Committee on Banking Supervision. BIS, Bank for International Settlements. BOP, Balance of Payment. BPS, Basis Payment. BBPS, Bharat Bill Payment System. BBPCU, Bharat Bill Payment Central Unit. BBPOU, Bharat Bill Payment Operating Unit. BBSBDA, Basis Saving Bank Deposit Account. BO, Banking Obligation. CAR, Capital Adequacy Ratio. CBS, Core Banking Solution. CORE, Centralized Online Real-Time Exchange. CD, Certificate of Deposit. CDR, Corporate Debit Restricting. CP, Commercial Paper. CRAR, Capital to Risk Weightage Asset Ratio. CRR, Cash Reserve Ratio. CTS, Check Truncation System. CAMELP, Capital Assets Management, Earning Liquidity and System Control. CAD, Current Account Deficit. CAGR, Compound Annual Growth Rate. CPI, Consumer Price Index. CIF, Customer Information File. CRN, Customer Relationship Number. CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility. CVV, Card Verification Value. CASA, Current Account and Saving Account. CASA account అంటాం కదా, Current Account and Saving Account. CDSL, Central Depository Services Limited. CBLO, Collateralized Borrowing Lending Obligation. CTR, Cash Transaction Report. CCB, Capital Conservation Buffer. CDS, Credit Default Swap. CMS, Complaint Management System. CAF, Cash Advanced Free. CIRP, Company Insolvency Resolution Process. DTAA, Double Tax Avoidance Agreement. DCCB, District Central Cooperative Bank. DBT, Direct Benefit Transfer. DP, Depository Participant. DRT, Debt Recovery Tribunal. DRI, Differential Rate of Investment. DSCR, Debit Service Coverage Ratio. DFI, Development Finance Institution. DSIB, Domestic Systematically Important Bank. DSII, Domestic Systematically Important Insurance. EBT, Electronic Benefit Transfer. ECB, External Commercial Borrowing. EPF, Employee Provident Fund. EPF అంటాం కదా. EMI, Equated Monthly Installment. EPS, Earning Per Share. ETF, Exchange Traded Fund, ELSS, Equity Linked Savings Scheme, EBITDA, Earning Before Interest Taxes Depreciation Administration, EBLR, External Benchmark Based Lending Rate, FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act, FCCB, Foreign Current Convertible Bond, FDI, Foreign Direct Investment, FII, Foreign Institutional Investor, FPI, Foreign Portfolio Investor, F&O, Futures and Options, FRBM, Physical Responsibility and Budget Management, FTA, Free Trade Area, FPO, Follow on Public Offering, FMCG, Fast Moving Consumer Goods, FLCC, Financially Literacy and Credit Counseling, FATF, Finance Action Task Force, FCNR, Foreign Currency Non-Resident Account, FSDC, Financial Stability and Development Council, GAAR, General Anti-Avoidance Rule, GDP, Gross Domestic Product, GNP, Gross National Product, GDR, Global Depository Receipt, GAAP, General Accepted Accounting Principles, GST, Goods and Service Tax, GIRO, General Interbank Recurring Order, HUF, Hindu Undivided Family, HFC, Housing Finance Company, IFSC, Indian Financial System Code, IFSC, International Financial Services Center, IIP, Index of Industrial Production, IRR, Internal Rate of Return, ISIN, International Securities Identification Number, IPO, Initial Public Offering, IDR, Indian Depository Receipt, INROADS, Indian Risk Oriented and Dynamic Rating System, IMPC, Immediate Payment Service, IIN, Issuer Identification Number, ICA, Intercreditor Agreement, IBC, Insolvents Bankrupt Code, IGMC, Integrated Grievances Management System, KCC, Kisan Credit Card, KVP, Kisan Vikas Patra, KYC, Know Your Customer, LAB, Local Area Bank, LAF, Liquidity Adjustment Facility, LC, Letter of Credit, LBS, Lead Bank Scheme, LTV, Loan to Value, LIBOR, London Interbank Offered Rate, LAP, Loan Against Property, LRS, Liberalized Remitted Scheme, LCR, Liquidity Coverage Ratio, LTCG, Long Term Capital Gain, LOLR, Lender of the Last Resort, LTRO, Long Term Repo Operations. M1 means narrow money, M3 means broad money, and MFI, Microfinance Institution, MCLR, Marginal Cost for Funds Based Leading Rate, MICR, Magnetic Ink Character Recognition, MANI, Mobile Aided Note Identified, MSME, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise, MSS, Market Stabilization Scheme, MAT, Minimum Alternate Tax, MSF, Marginal Standing Facility, Money Transfer Service Scheme, MTSS, MIBOR, Mumbai Interbank Offered Rate, MDR, Merchant Discount Rate, and Monetary Policy Committee, MMID, Mobile Money Identified, MSP, Minimum Support Price, NBFC, Non-Banking Finance Company, NDTL, Net Demand and Time Liability, NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer. NITEA, Niti Aayog, National Institute for Transforming Indian Aayog. NPA, Non-Performing Asset. NIIF, National Investment Infrastructure Fund. NIM, Net Internet Margin. NII, Net Internet Income. NAV, Net Asset Value. NII Act, Negotiable Instrument Act. NPS, National Pension System. NRE, Non-Residential External Account to Non-Resident Ordinary Account. These both are. National Company Law Tribunal. PAN, Permanent Account Number. And PIN, Personal Identification Number. PACS, Primary Agricultural Credit Society. POS, Point of Sale. PSP, Payment Service Provider. PIDF, Payment Infrastructure Development Fund. PSA, Priority Sector Advance. PIO, Personnel of Indian Origin. PML Act, Prevention of Money Laundering Act. PKI, Public Key Infrastructure. PPI, Prepaid Payment Instrument. PCA, Prompt Corrective Action. PPP, Public-Private Partnership. PPP, Purchasing Power Parity. PRAN, Permanent Retirement Account Number. REPO, Repurchase Agreement. RIDF, Rural Infrastructure Development Fund. RTGS, Real Time Gross Settlement. REER, Real Effective Exchange Rate. ROA, Return on Asset. REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust. ROE, Return on Equity. RML, Reverse Mortgage Loan. RDA, Rupee Drawing Arrangement. RFID, Radio Frequency Identifier. SEZ, Special Economical Zone. And SDR, Special Drawing Right. STR, Special Transaction Report. SMJ, Special Mention Account. Securities Transaction Tax. And Structured Financial Messaging System. SCORS, SEBI Compliance Redirect System. SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. STP, Systematic Transfer Plan. SWP, Systematic Withdrawal Plan. SFIO, Serious Fraud Investment Office. TDR, Term Deposit Receipt. TDS, Tax Deducted at Source. T-Bill, Treasury Bill. TAN, Tax Deduction Collection Account Number. TIN, Tax Information Network. UPI, Unified Payment Interface. UCB, Urban Cooperative Bank. ULIP, Unite Linked Insurance Plan. VCF, Venture Capital Fund. VAT, Value Added Tax. VAT, Value Added Tax. VPA, Virtual Payment Address. WPL, Wholesale Price Index. WLA, White Label ATM. WMA, Ways and Means Advance. This is the abbreviations of banking sector. If you like this video, just like, share, subscribe. Thank you all.